Hello, I'm Dr. Lisa, psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner with Turning Point Psychiatry. Today we're talking about one of my favorite natural mood boosters, saffron. You might know it as a beautiful golden spice used in cooking, but research shows it also has remarkable benefits for depression and anxiety. Saffron comes from the Crocus sativus flower and is one of the most valuable spices in the world. It's been used for centuries in Persian and Ayurvedic medicine to improve mood, memory, and energy. But in recent years, modern science has started catching up. Multiple randomized controlled trials have shown that saffron can help reduce symptoms of mild to moderate depression, sometimes as effectively as prescription medications. Saffron's antidepressant effects are linked to several mechanisms in the brain. It increases serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, the same neurotransmitters targeted by SSRIs. It also has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, protecting brain cells from oxidative stress, which is linked to depression. Compounds like crocin and safranol are believed to be the key mood-boosting components. Clinical studies have compared saffron to antidepressants like fluoxetine, Prozac, and imipramine. In several trials, saffron at doses of 30 milligrams per day was just as effective as these medications in reducing depressive symptoms. And unlike antidepressants, saffron tends to have minimal side effects, no weight gain, sexual side effects, or emotional numbness. A meta-analysis published in Journal of Integrative Medicine concluded that saffron supplementation significantly improved mood in both depressed and non-depressed individuals. Most studies use 30 milligrams per day, typically split into two 15 milligrams doses. Look for standardized extracts containing at least 2% safranal or crocin for quality assurance. Brands like Saffron R or Saterial R are commonly used in research. As always, talk to your healthcare provider before adding any supplement, especially if you're already on antidepressants, since saffron can enhance serotonin levels. Saffron isn't just a spice, it's a scientifically backed natural option for improving mood, energy, and overall emotional well-being. If you're someone who prefers a more holistic or complementary approach to mental health, saffron may be worth discussing with your provider. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more evidence-based mental health tips.